students. Today we are going to study differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. As we have already heard these terms many a times, but we get confused between this prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Okay, so the first one is prokaryote and the second is eukaryote. Okay, now we'll see the prokaryote. Prokaryotic cell, if you see the pro means primitive cell. Okay, primitive cells means what it was not highly evolved, but if you see eukaryotic cell, eukaryotic is highly evolved. Prokaryote means what? It has a primitive nucleus. It is not it is less evolved nucleus. But if you see eukaryote, eu means what? It means true nucleus. So first we'll see the prokaryotic cell. In this cell you will see there is a cell. Okay, the cell, it is bound with the cell membrane and cell wall, and you see the coiled material is there. Okay, it is nothing but the DNA material. So as you know, this DNA material, it is suspended in cytoplasm. It is directly coming in the contact with the cytoplasm. It is not bound with the nucleus. You know, the nucleus, it protects the very much essential DNA material. Okay, so here you see there is no protected, there is no protection to this DNA. The DNA is suspended into the cytoplasm. It is coming in directly contact with this cytoplasm. And if you see only there are so few cell organelles are there. The ribosomes are there. Okay. So as this cell is of the prokaryotic cell, it contains it all the bacteria that comes under this prokaryotic cell type. So as you can see, there's a flagella here. Okay, so because the bacteria, they are some bacteria are motile, so they are having bacterial flagella. So this is nothing but, you can see the difference is there are no mitochondria, there are no there is no endoplasmic reticulum. You see, only ribosomes are there. Okay, so we'll see the next. This prokaryotic, what it is unicellular organism that lacks a membrane-bound nucleus, mitochondria, or any other membrane-bound organelle. Okay, so pro means what? Before. And carrion, we know the carrion meaning is nucleus. Okay, then we'll go to the next part, that is eukaryotic cell. If you compare this prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, you will see the eukaryotic cell is much complicated than this prokaryotic cell. If you see, a lot of things are there in eukaryotic cell. See the nucleus. Inside the nucleus there is a coiled material, that is nothing but it's a genetic material, that is DNA. So all these genetic material, it is protected by nucleus. It has a covering of nucleus. Then it has around this nucleus there is a endoplasmic reticulum. Then there is a Golgi complex. Then there are mitochondria, and there are some vacuoles are there. There's some chloroplasts are there. Ribosomes are there. Okay, so all these organelles, you see, they are membrane bound. Okay, you can see this thing like the genetic material, that is the highly coiled DNA. It is not coming directly in contact with the cytoplasm. It is there inside the nucleus, and nucleus contains specific material. Okay, the matrix-like substance, that is called as nucleoplasm. So it keeps this nucleus keeps this environment, the outer, it keeps this DNA material away from this external environment. Okay, so eukaryotic organisms whose cells have nucleus enclosed with the membranes. Okay, U means what? It means true, and karyon means what? Nothing but it means nucleus. So eukaryotic cells, they contain membrane bound organelles such as mitochondria and Golgi complex. What organelles are common in between prokaryote and eukaryotic? Both have cell membrane, both have cell wall, but they have ribosomes. But mitochondria and Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum, they are present in eukaryotic cells. And prokaryotic cells, the material, the genetic material, the DNA material, it is suspended in cytoplasm, but in eukaryotic cell, it is protected. This DNA material is protected by nucleus.